In front of me is VIVO Y70, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then pick system, and now click on reset options. Here you will notice reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and if you truly want to perform this action, click on it and then confirm that you want to reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on reset settings then. Now enter your PIN. And that's it. Click on reset settings to confirm, and within a couple of seconds all network settings will be reset. Here it is. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.